Alright, hi everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be basically answering one of the most asked questions by the May June 2026 students, which is how were the labels in the March papers done? Alright, and based on the syllabus, I have gone through it, and there was no mention of making labels, as in actual labels in Word. So I am assuming that it was something like this, all right? And we will be practicing this question, all right? And now, unfortunately, I have lost. I was supposed to create more videos, but unfortunately, I have lost some of my data due to some issues I faced. And then I won't be uploading any more videos for this series, and this will be the last video for the May June 2026 practicals, all right? Now, what I am thinking is that it would be something like this. All right, so you're going to produce temperature labels consisting of four identical shapes. Draw four rectangle shapes with rounded corners to create a temperature label. Copy the information from PT22099.rtf into the shapes as shown. All right, then format the shapes so that they are the same size. They have a gray color fill, a single line outline. They are equally distant. The text is 10 point, and then the text is displayed over four lines. All right, now I'm assuming we'll be using shapes to do it because there's no mention of labels in the syllabus, as I said. All right, now to do this, first we go to insert. We take out the rounded corners. All right, the rounded corner rectangle. All right, we place it here. We make it smaller so that four can fit. They said a gray fill, so I'll just take this one. Seems the most appropriate. Outline is 1 point. 1 point. All right, now I'll just make four of these. Okay, Control C and Control V, keeping the equal distance. Now there are a lot of methods you can use to make sure they're vertically aligned and they have equal distance, but right now I'll just do it quickly. All right, then we select all of them by pressing Shift, and then we click on Group, and now they have become one label. Okay, and now we can increase the size. Okay, all right, now we use a text box, I believe, to put the data inside it. Okay, so I'll take a simple text box, wrap text type. Okay, so that I can drag it around. Shape format, wrap text type, shape fill, the same color as the labels, and no outline. All right, we keep them small. Okay, we can give it rounded. Okay, no. Okay, we can give it rounded corners from here. Okay, okay, never mind. That is not possible. So we place it in here. Okay, now we copy. Okay, so we can copy this. We paste it. My bad. We paste it so that the rest of the labels also have it. Uh, Okay, place it here. All right, I have actually gone through the syllabus and there was no mention of actual labels as in the ones all of us have been thinking about, okay? The ones we find in mailing and these ones, there's no mention of these, so there's no way Cambridge can bring such a thing which is not even in the syllabus, right? Okay, so this is some of the data that we can be asked to store, perhaps. Okay, so I just copy the first label, Control V, okay, can center line. We make it 10 point, all right, can do something like this as well if they asked. Now, since the actual question paper hasn't been released, these are all just predictions for tomorrow's exam. Okay, all right. Now our text is over 4 lines, all right, and then yeah, this is how I am predicting they would look like, all right. Now you can see that we have almost the same distance between them all. We have grouped it up so that it's one shape and it's easier to move around and stuff. So this is just based on a prediction, alright? There's no guarantee to the fact that this would be real, okay? But then again, it's based on the syllabus. There was no mention of um actual labels, the ones over here, alright? There was no mention of such thing in the syllabus, so that's why I'm using this. Alright, there's no mention of anything such. This is mail merge and that was removed from the syllabus in 2023. Okay, now this is the end of the video, right? Good luck to everyone writing the paper tomorrow. Take a deep breath, stay focused, and remember it's just another practice you're doing that you have done already. And this is where all the hard work pays off, alright? And until next time, bye.